Hi everyone, I'm Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You're watching my video tutorial for my sewing pattern, the Go Baby Organizer. The Go Baby Organizer came out a few years ago, and originally it was the Go Baby mini diaper bag. So it can still be made as a mini diaper bag. When I thought about making a video tutorial series and I wanted to update some of the construction of the bag with newer methods that I've learned since its release, I had a conversation with Cara of Early Bird Stitches about ideas for expanding the usability of this pattern. And so she and I came up with ideas of adding card slots and pen slots. And then my pattern testing team came up with so many imaginative ideas and uses for this bag. If you haven't already done so, be sure to check out the lookbook. It features all of their bags and a few others so you can get inspiration for how you can make this pattern. In order to make this pattern, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern at my website linked below. So let's talk about the features of this pattern and the supplies that you'll need to make it. The updated Go Baby Organizer is not just for babies anymore. The uses of this organizer are really endless. It makes an equally wonderful gift for a new parent, traveler, friend, or student. The tri-fold organizer unsnaps to reveal two large slip pockets, as perfect for diapers and wipes as they are for craft or travel items. Optional card or pen slots can be added to the slip pockets. The zippered pocket in the roomy fold-over flap secures your belongings. The outside zipper pocket can hold a phone or other small items. The crossbody strap adjusts to whatever your preferred length is. For fabric 1, you will need a ½ yard of quilt weight cotton, canvas, or linen. And this is the fabric I have on the flap of my Go Baby Organizer. For fabric 2, you'll need 2/3 yard of quilt weight cotton, linen, canvas, or home deck fabrics. This is the striped fabric I have on the panel exterior of my organizer. For fabric 3, you'll need a ½ yard of quilt weight cotton. This is the fabric I'm using for my optional card slots. You'll need 2 5/8 yard of woven interfacing such as Pellon, SF101, Sew Fuse, or similar. You will also need a 2" by 2" piece of ultra firm stabilizer, and I am using Pellon Peltex. You will need 2 magnetic snaps, 2 3/4" D-rings, 2 3/4" swivel hooks, 1 3/4" slide. You will need 1 9" zipper, number 3 to number 5 in size, 1 11" zipper, also number 3 to number 5 in size, and you can use nylon zippers, zipper by the yard, or metal zippers. It's fine to have longer zippers that you cut down to size as instructed in the pattern. You will also need 2 double-capped metal rivets and tools for installation. You will also need a washable fabric marker or a friction pen, liquid fabric sealant such as Dritz Fray Check, double-sided tape, and I like to use a walking foot attachment for bag making. It really helps to keep the many thick layers of bag making from shifting as you sew. Once you've selected your fabrics and gathered your supplies, join me for the second video in this series, and I will go over the special features of the pattern, and then we will prepare our fabrics. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.